Hello everyone. I'm John Lloyd Vispiras, your mathematics teacher for today. Please all stand for the prayer. Kate, can you lead the prayer? Amen. I will be checking your attendance. Say present if you are here. Kate, Jane, Christine, Ken. Okay, all of you are present for today. So I have 5 important things in my class. So first, raise your hand before asking a question. Second, no talking. Third, no cell phone allowed in my class. So, fourth, listen when others are speaking. And lastly, keep the classroom clean. Is everything clear, class? So, our topic for today is the 50-30-20 rule and simple budgeting. How will you all budget your money? Ken, how will you budget your money? Okay. So the 50-30-20 rule is a just suggested budgeting guideline that advice educating. So for the 50% of your income to necessities. So in short is our needs. Is your needs. Okay. So ano nga ba yung mga needs natin? So Ken, what is our needs? Okay. So our needs is like food, bills, and clothes, etc. And for the 30% to discriminatory spendings, in short, is our wants. Dito na yung mga cellphone, bola, yung mga gusto natin. So, for the 20% is to our savings. Yung itong 20% na to is mapupunta sa mga ipon natin. So, the goal is to create a balanced budgeting that allows you to cover your needs, enjoy life, and save for the future. Is everything clear, class? Okay. To calculate, multiply the income. So, 50% is 0.5. The 30% is 0.3. The 20% is 0.2. So, for the example, 200 multiplied by 0.5 is equals to 100. Understood, class? Okay. And for 0.3, 200 multiplied by 0.3 is equals to 60. And for the 20% for the savings is 200 multiplied by 0.2 is equals to 40. And that's how to multiply the 50-30-20 rule and simple budgeting. So is everything clear? So and add the 160 and the 40. So 0, 0. Then this is your income, your money. Understood, class? Okay. So I have an activity for you. Answer it in one whole. And for the 2 assignments, answer it in one whole also and give it to me in next meeting. Thank you.